YouTube is an infinite money glitch, and let me show you how. How is YouTube an infinite money glitch? Well, that's a good question. It is 100% true. I am not lying to you. Here's the proof. I have multiple videos that have made me a decent amount of money, and it cost literally a fraction. God damn it. I forgot what I was gonna say. And it cost literally a fraction to make it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do that for yourself. The only thing is, you can't be shy, and you gotta be on camera. Come on now. I believe in you. So here's the formula. Are you ready? First, you gotta pick some sort of product or thing that you have to do in the video in order for you to post about it. So, for example, I posted this video talking about how to fix a window switch in your car. I've also done it in this car. You buy the product. That product costs anywhere from $20 to $50, okay? You buy the product and then you install it, right? That's what people are curious about. You gotta find out if this is something that people want. So in my video, for example, the one where I showed how to replace the window switch, that piece only cost anywhere from $20 to $50, okay? That was a problem that happened, I'm realizing, a lot in people's cars. I couldn't find that video on YouTube, like a well-made video. I couldn't find that. So what I did is I made my own video on that problem. A lot of people have that problem, even in other cars. These don't work. And sometimes, especially after years of owning the car, sometimes they break. It's a very costly thing to do if you go to a mechanic. They'll charge you $500 plus to do it. You can do it for like $50. That's just for the part. I could take this piece out in seconds because I've done it so many times. Don't feel me now, brother. Like, I've done it so many times in multiple cars, and it's so easy to do. And from learning that skill to do it, I've posted a video about it, and now that video constantly makes me money all the time. And I'll show you the analytics of that right here. So every single day, I'm getting paid for something I did 3 years ago. You might ask yourself, well, how do you do it? How do you do that thing that you want to make a video on? Well, you just figure it out. You find a poorly made video on YouTube and you make a better thumbnail. You make it more clear, you make it more easily to follow along in your tutorial. And people will pick your video over the other video where the guy doesn't even speak the same language. Camera's shaking and he's like this. Oh, welcome to my tutorial. He's like this. I can't. I don't know what's happening. No offense to that guy, but there's better and easier ways to make a video. Make it more appealing. Make the audio better. You can figure it out. I know you can do it. So that video cost me about $50 to do and a couple hours of labor to figure it out for the first time. Now, if you fast forward to 3 years later, that video has made me over $1,000. You heard that right. $1,000 for a silly, in my opinion, very easy to make silly video. But what it did was it helped a lot of people. If you look at the comments in that video, which I'll show here, so many people appreciated that I made the video. And because I helped those people, the ad revenue from the views has paid me over $1,000. There's no shortage of what we can do for other people. Yes, it cost money in the beginning, but it paid dividends, literally paying dividends right now. As we speak, people are watching that video. It has hundreds of thousands of views and it's making me money. And I hope that it continues to make me money. And if that problem keeps arising in those cars, then it will continue to be watched. Let me give you an example of what you could do here. Let's say you own a business, okay? And you want to make money through YouTube, and you also want to show people how to install their own drywall, let's say. Because drywall sucks and I hate it. I'd rather pay someone to do it for me, but let's say someone wants to do it themselves. What you do is you make a video, you buy the drywall, you buy the tools, and then you show a video of you installing it. Now, people are gonna come watch your video because they've never installed drywall before. I watched so many videos when I wanted to learn how to install drywall. If you don't know what drywall is, you shouldn't be watching my video right now. Go watch cartoons. Anyways, my point is, that person made that video and is now getting paid from the project he did in someone else's house. And he's getting paid from YouTube, from people watching how to install the drywall. And that guy is probably made more money from that video than actually installing it in that person's house, if it were to get hundreds of thousands or millions of views. So, how is YouTube an infinite money glitch? Well, you post a video that people need. You post a video that people need. You post a video that can be made by you in your own creative way, and you make a video better than someone has already made it. Get what I'm saying here? Get what I'm saying? You got it. I believe in you. You can do it. Make money passively through YouTube. You got this. I believe in you. Peace. Also, I just wanted to add this in there, that all you have to do is provide value. And yes, it costs yes, it might cost money up front for you out of your pocket. And maybe the video doesn't perform well. That could happen. But don't let it deter you from posting future videos. Find something you like, find a problem people have, and then give them the solution through your video. Yes, you'll be giving it to them for free, but you will get, one, you'll get ad revenue, you'll get people who respect you. Two, number three, you'll get people who might even follow along on your journey because now you're providing them with something of value. And number four, also, people think that you have to give something physical to somebody in order for you to help. You could help somebody else through your words and through your actions, okay? You always gotta keep giving back, no matter what. Whether that's financially, through advice, through physical action. There's multiple ways you can help other people. Always keep helping, and the universe will always keep giving back to you. I love you. Peace.